Wagwan, say Jim, it's Jimothy reporting live. What's up? So this next video, I didn't record an intro or anything like that because I was with a couple of friends and we headed out to Rio Charco. No. And we headed out to Charco El Hippie and Naguabo, which is a city on the east side of the island, close to Fajardo and the ferries to the other various islands such as Culebra and Vieques. But yeah, so we hit this little waterfall, crevice, natural thingy thing, you already know, and we enjoyed ourselves. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It's about to go from now. I put on the same kind of little outfit so I could fake it till I make it, but I paid the cost to be the boss, so y'all just que disfruta, enjoy yourself. Alright y'all, we made it. Chilling. Follow, Jody, don't get us lost. Wait. Yeah, that would look safe over here to the right and secluded. Let's show them how men do it.
What? We're gonna fall. You do it first.
Not gonna fall.
Wait, take my picture like that.
Twerk. chilling. The homies. I jumped off of there, but alright, y'all. For my last stunt of the day, I'm gonna jump off of the cliff, not fall. Not fall. I'm not fucking with that swing shit. I'm just gonna jump right here. I'm not about to do that swing. Nope, nope.